As permissible work exposure levels of benzene continue to reduce globally, a new generation of benzene monitor is needed. To meet this need, Ion Science have created the Titan II second-generation service module that can be inserted into existing Titan installations. Just remove the old module, insert and connect the new one, calibrate, and you're ready to go. Its new high-speed, high-sense, 10.0 EV photo-ionization sensor ensures reliable benzene detection, resolving to 10 ppb benzene. Its new state-of-the-art ultrasonic pump has allowed us to simplify the pneumatic system and flow path, resulting in superior sample stability. Selectivity has also improved with the introduction of a 10.0 EV lamp window, which is particularly relevant with increased levels of ethanol. The large LCD display, bright, status LEDs and multiple outputs are the same as the old module, minimizing training and installation time. The Titan II service module, reliably detecting benzene to ppb levels.